guys, welcome to my channel Khushi's World with me Khushi. So today's video is a bit very interesting because I'm going to show you my sketchbook. Like this is the part 1. I have two sketchbooks, so this is gonna be the part 1 of the sketchbook and next will be the part 2. So without wasting much time, so let's start. So first, this is my sketchbook. It looks like this. I will even keep a poster here, you can see. So for the first, this is my first drawing, as you can see here. So I don't know why I did this, like I just drew it on myself, like I didn't see anywhere, just I drew and I wrote be cool and think positive. This I did on 5th June. Like I thought let's start with a very good like page filling drawing, so I did this. And for my second drawing, it's this thing which you can see here. It's a girl sitting under a tree. This is a pencil shade thing, and it took like 2 hours. 2 hours just for drawing. It took more than just for 1 hour for drawing that tree because it was really hard to draw the leaves and in the correct order. And I wrote like believe in yourself because the girl looks sad, so somewhat for a twist I wrote. And this I drew on same 5th June. So the first picture I drew on 5th June but morning, and this I drew in the evening. So for the third, you can see I'm a very big fan of Harry Potter. So I draw like some like doodles of Harry Potter. It has the name Ron, Voldemort, Hermione, the Tom Riddle book, you can see the key, flying key, the scarf, and everything, letters and energy bar, you can see. And it's 9-3/4, that platform number from where Harry Potter goes to Hogwarts, that thing, and the sorting hat, everything. Like I'm a big fan. So now this is the big thing. This thing took 2 days to complete. Like I thought something else to draw, but now the result was like this. But it's really looks so beautiful. You can see even the card is here. You can see it's like this. It's really looking super. Thankful. And for the third one, now this is not third one. I don't know. I didn't count it even. So here I wrote everything happens for a reason. I can't show like that, it will be in flip, so I kept a poster. So everything happens for, so I thought how many drawings should I draw, so I started quoting, and this is the first quote. And rough paper for just doodling. And this is the second quote, let's go on an adventure friends. Like the adventure thing, the scarf, I didn't get it proper. Like up top of the E, I didn't get it proper, but also I managed to draw it. And the next is make the world a pretty place. This also I drew. The star, like it took really first I drew with pencil, but then also I didn't come that. I said just leave it, I'll draw with a marker. Then I drew it. Next, this is really my favorite from all the drawings, Doraemon. Like I especially like the Doraemon character because it drew correctly. I don't know why Nobita is like this. I don't know actually. But okay, Sunyo is nice. Jian looks as usual, same like what you see in a TV, same. Shizuka, actually her hair I didn't get properly, like the 2 ponytails and her hand, one finger is going somewhere else, I guess. And next I was not having any idea more what to do, so just I did alphabets doodle with their shadow. Even this looks more pro. It's looking very nice actually. And this is my second favorite, I think so, because the cups look so nice and so real. And like you can see there are 3 cups placed upon, and they really actually they look like yes they are in one. So it's looking nice. And the quote, I was not like, it was feeling empty. I don't know what to draw, so I wrote a quote. And for the next one. Now this thing, yeah, I like it. It's not like, but my father and mother like it much. But like it tends and shows the beauty of a woman. True beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. Yeah, it's true. And but this the top layer, which one I did, the top design. As you can see, this one, it's really nice. Like I feel it real and real like that. And yeah, now this one I don't think much because this I drew with not my mind. I thought I will complete this structure on all the page, but then up till here only my marker got completed. So I thought let's end up here. I'll write a quote here. So I did it. And for the next one, now I have this Japanese girl. Now actually what happened is, first I drawed everything black, the pink one was not there, but then I thought like black it's not looking nice, so I thought to fill a single color and hold the picture. So I drew pink, and really after drawing the pink I feel it more nice. And here you can see here down Japanese something I wrote, it's called Hello Cutie. So I wrote love your life. I thought something is empty and I drew a flower, and here I did something on the corner, here I did something mandala. It's becoming more interesting, right? So now how comes real? Now I tried this type of art for the first time. You can see I drew a poster, this is the real one. So this it was really hard because first you should color, let it dry, and color even you should mix all the colors and do, and it's really hard to merge two colors. And these are the acrylic paints which come in bottle, Fevikwik bottle. Yeah, and they are really actually somewhat hard. So it took, just for coloring, it took for me more than 2 hours. So like I should think which color I should merge so to get new color, and also it should be like good lookable. So after drying that, again should do this thing on a painted one. It was really hard because whenever I drew it was coming very light, so I should do double, triple shade, then it would come like this. And again to paint this full black, I painted this black, and again with a whitener or white dots, I drew here dots here all the way, like on the borders, here on the border, here. So yeah, you can see this one. Like this I like it. Yeah, this is like not topmost, like I would give 4th rank. Yeah, but it's really nice. And even this took 3 hours for me. Really, it's dot painting. When you can see the poster, this one is the real one. So it took really 3 hours because whenever I do a dot, they were becoming light and I needed them to pop up. Like it should be like 3D look, it should be, but they were not looking like that. So I did one line, I did second, then I again went for first, then again second, then third. So it gone on, and it came the last is this. And this here, I was thinking it was looking plain, so I drew 4 borders of 4 different colors, like red, gold, white and yellow. See, even this looks nice. And for the last, I have this, the persons, they dance Killer by hearing those songs. I don't know what they're called actually. If you know, please mention down in the comment box. So I drew this. I don't know why he looked so sad. I saw a pic in that they were smiling and their eyes were angry, but I didn't get the actual thing. But I like the crown look. You can see in the photo here. The crown look is really nice. Yeah, so yeah, it's really nice. I don't know what to say about this because I don't know, because I don't know how to describe it. So yeah, and the next is, oh, it's done. My pattern is done. So yeah, this is my book. So even I have another book. This is the part 1, and even I'll show you the part 2 in my next video. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe it. Don't forget to click the bell icon, like my video, share your views to comment box, and even tell me did you like my drawings or not, or if you want to suggest me any other videos that I can post. And do comment down and say me how did you like my last video. Did you watch it or not? My last video was about a face pack. Do watch it please. Okay, so thank you. Bye.